Convection heating. Use convection heating technology to circulate warm air throughout the appliance for quick and evenly baking or cooking. Also brings better flavors in your food as the dish inside the oven is cooked at the same rate. 6SLICE Countertop Oven. It's big enough to cook all types of meat. You can fit 6 slices of bread or 10 pizza in it, easily perfect size for your family. It doesn't take much on the counter but will cook a wide range of different types of food. Dimensions 17.91 L by 11.02 W by 11.22 H inches. Perfectly fits on your countertop. Beautiful red toaster oven. The perfect wedding or new home gift. Its sleek design and trendy color options will match any kitchen decor. MLUTI-Function Toaster Oven. Equipped with 4 heating elements at the top and bottom. The toaster oven's cooking functions include baking bread, broiling, steak, toasting, bagel. You can do so much more with LUBY Toaster Oven's countertop. Easy to use. 3-knob controls with easy turn design. 60 minutes timer for automatic shut-off, and the ready bell is loud enough to hear. No worries about getting distracted and burning your food. Top reviews from the United States. Biggest portable oven I found for the lowest price. Excellent buy. This portable oven is awesome. It did come with instructions, which I bake and cook all the time, so I didn't need them, and it's the biggest one I found on Amazon for the lowest price. I use it at least once a week. I did read reviews where customers had said the timer broke and now their oven doesn't work. I believe this is the case, but is completely avoidable. Don't force the timer to skip ahead to shut off. It is not made to do this. If you set the timer for 30 minutes and your food is ready in 25 minutes, take the food out. Do not touch the timer. In 5 minutes it will ding and go off by itself. If you force it to 0 minutes to shut off, then don't be surprised when your oven doesn't work anymore. Just one more comment: when the oven is in use, the top of it gets very hot. So make sure if something is stored on the top of it, remove it while oven is in use and while oven is cooling down from just being in use.